Hello students, I am Mrs. Vimlesh Vishwabandhu Rai from Shet Gopalji Himraj High School, Borivali East. Now today, I am going to make a short film which has been made as an entry for the competition Now Nirman Science Education Short Film Festival 2021. The concept that I have decided to teach today is for Standard 10, types of chemical reactions. We all know there are many different types of chemical reactions, and it is very difficult for the students to understand these types of chemical reactions without any demonstration or without any model. So it is very difficult for them to understand. That's why with the help of this model which I am going to display, or with the help of these chemicals that I am going to show, it will become very easy and interesting for you to understand the concept. As we all know, there are many different types of chemical reactions, but some of the reactions we will study today. That is, first is combination reaction, second decomposition reaction, third displacement reaction. First is combination reaction. Now from the word itself you can understand combination means something it combines or something which joins together. For example, this is substance A and this is substance B. So A combines with B to give a single product which is AB. So what we can say, when A and B they combine together, they form a single product, that is AB. So in short, I can define combination reaction as when two or more reactants they join together, they combine together to form a single product. This is known as combination reaction. Let us understand this with the help of simple examples like sodium. Suppose this is sodium and this is chlorine. So sodium combines with chlorine to give sodium chloride, a single product. Two or more reactants taken together to form a single product is known as combination reaction. Similarly, we can have other example like suppose this is carbon monoxide and this is oxygen. So carbon monoxide it reacts with oxygen to give carbon dioxide gas. Or other example I can take magnesium, it combines with chlorine to form magnesium chloride. So these are all different examples of combination reaction. Now we try to understand the other type of reaction, that is decomposition reaction. Notice the meaning of a decomposition. Decomposition means breaking down. Something when it breaks down is known as decomposition reaction. For example, let us understand this with the help of model first. Decomposition means it breaks down. Now here one substance is taken and it breaks down to form two or more substances, which is known as decomposition reaction. For example, suppose this is A. This breaks down to form two or more substances. So in short, I can say that this is exactly opposite of combination reaction, what we have studied. Here a single reactant is taken and it breaks down to form two or more products, which is known as decomposition reaction. For example, calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is one of the example. Calcium carbonate, if I supply heat, it breaks down. Suppose this is calcium carbonate. If I supply heat, it breaks down to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. See, this is calcium carbonate I have taken in a test tube and I supply heat to it. So here what is given out, carbon dioxide gas is given out, so it breaks down to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Similarly, we can have other example of sodium carbonate. We can take other example, that is sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is a single reactant. It can break down to form sodium oxide and carbon dioxide. Now these are with the help of examples we have studied decomposition reaction, but this same decomposition reaction is taking place during our digestive process. During the process of digestion, the breaking down of complex food material into simpler substances is actually what? It is a decomposition reaction. For example, carbohydrates. When decomposition is taking place, that time carbohydrates, it breaks down to form glucose. Similarly, proteins, what we are taking inside with the help of food material, that proteins it decompose or it breaks down to form amino acid. So the process of digestion which is taking place inside our stomach is an example of decomposition reaction. Why? Because the breaking down of complex food material is taking place and it gets converted into simpler food substances. So that is an example of decomposition reaction. Now let us understand the third type of reaction, that is displacement reaction. Here also from the word itself you can understand when something is displaced or something is moved, that is known as displacement reaction. For example, zinc, this is zinc, suppose it combines with hydrogen chloride. Zinc, it reacts with hydrogen chloride. Now, since zinc is more reactive than hydrogen, it will try to displace hydrogen. So what is formed? Zinc chloride plus hydrogen is given. So what we can say that zinc has displaced hydrogen. Why it has displaced hydrogen? Because from the reactivity series of metals, if we study the reactivity series of metal, from that we can study the different series of metals where the reactivity from higher order to lower order is seen, and from that table we can understand which metal is more reactive than which metal, okay, than the other metal. So here from the reactivity series I know that zinc is more reactive than hydrogen. So it has displaced hydrogen, and what is formed? Zinc chloride and hydrogen is given. So this is one example of displacement reaction. Similarly, we can take another example, that is potassium iodide and chlorine. Suppose this is potassium iodide and this is iodine. Chlorine is more reactive than iodine. It will try to displace iodine, and what is formed? Potassium chloride and iodine is given out. So there is another reactivity series for non-metals. This we understand from the reactivity series of non-metals or halogen, that which halogen is more reactive than which type of halogen. Okay, thank you. Hello students,